And thank you, Tita Lisa, for giving me this. So I can be happy. I thank you for you. Thank you. I love you. I love you. And this is a school bus. And this, oh, you can open the doors and close the doors. You also have to open the roof to get the passengers in. And I also, there's a steering where you move the bus steering wheel. And I can't, and hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I got this Playmobil. This is Playmobil City. This is Playmobil, alright. So, this is Playmobil.
Ate Lisa. Magkano gatan daw? Dundeng! Hyper ka. Ewan, na isa? Ha? Ay, kanila. Kakabila sa baba. Kasi sa baba.
Hindi natin sa kanila. Laruan niya ata yan.
Ay, yung Playmobil.
Ah, Ninja Van. Ninja Van. Ayan na! Wow! Playmobil.
Paano yan? Umorder din si Ate Chen. Ngumiti ka naman, Dong. So, excited? Ubusin na yung karton! Hindi kasi ito yung ano.
Ah, ito yung buksanan pala.
Thank you, Dada, for this gift. My congratulations. I'll give you a heart.